Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix the touchscreen not working after the iOS 26 update or any new update. If it's not working, you cannot touch it or it's not functional, you want to follow these steps. The first thing you are going to do is to quickly press and release the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down button and hold on to this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So again, quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then you are going to hold on to the side button just like that and just keep on holding that side button. You're going to wait until the screen goes completely black before you let go that side button. So we are going to wait for it to go black and then we are going to wait for the Apple logo to appear and let go of that. And this is going to be basically force the phone to shut down, reload the code. So if it's a software related issue, it's going to go ahead and fix that, which most likely the reason why you may not be able to touch the screen. It's not functioning, it's glitching, whatever the case, go ahead and try this method. And if it does not work for you, just keep on trying for 2-3 times. It will work for you. Here we just be patient and keep on doing it. And if it was working before and you did an update, so keep on trying it. Now there is another thing you can do if you are still not getting it work, which is going to be trying to update your iPhone software with your computer. So guys, this is the method you should try in order to fix that issue. I hope this method will help you out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.